Hi guys, I'm Mr. Grover. We're doing our introduction video for our practical on making stuff. Hang on. What are we making?
Sherbet.
We're making sherbet. Okay, and we're going to figure out eventually we're going to figure out some cost price and percentages of profits and that sort of thing. But to start with, we have our ratios from what we found last week with our sherbet prac. We've got here 1 teaspoon of citric acid, 3 tablespoons of icing sugar, and 2 tablespoons of jelly crystals. All right, so to figure out what we need to buy, we need to do some research. We have, for your convenience, figured out that at Woolworths, 1 kilogram of icing sugar will cost us $3.50. Okay, to figure out how much that is actually going to make in terms of our tablespoons, we need to do a conversion. All right, so 1 tablespoon of icing sugar is equal to 7.81 grams. Okay, so if we multiply 300, all right, which is 300 tablespoons, that's what we're going to, actually hang on, can we,
You can edit the whole thing.
yeah, hang on.
It fits out.
So that one,
300 to make 100 total.
that's right, so that's the bit I missed, isn't it? So we need, oh, okay, yep, sorry, all right. So we're trying to make 100 lots of the sherbet, is that the idea? Yeah. Okay, cool. All right, so we're trying to make 100 lots of the sherbet. So obviously we need to have our 3 tablespoons of icing sugar. We need to do 3 times by 100. Okay, that will obviously give us 300 serves. Right, so if we do our 300 tablespoons that we're going to need times by our 7.81 grams, which is how much a single tablespoon of icing sugar is going to be, that is going to equal 2,343 grams. All right, and if we do a simple conversion to that, we know that there are 1,000 grams in a kilogram, so we can do 2,343 divided by 1,000, which is going to give us 2.343 kilograms. Okay, so if we're talking about how much we're going to actually buy, we know that 1 kilogram of icing sugar is going to cost us $3.50, so we're going to need to buy at least 3 kilograms to cover that. All right, so we can do 3 times by $3.50. That's terrible. Equals $10.50. All right, so our icing sugar, how much we're going to buy is going to cost us $10.50 for the icing sugar. Okay. Anything else I need to put in there?